What's the meaning of anniversary? Anniversary. 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 Anniversary.
Anniversary refers to the yearly celebration or observation of a past event, particularly a wedding or business establishment. It is an occasion to commemorate and remember significant milestones or achievements that occurred on a specific date in the past, often involving festivities, gifts, or special activities. It serves as a reminder of important moments in our lives and gives us the opportunity to reflect on the milestones we've achieved along the way. Overall, anniversaries offer a chance to celebrate meaningful accomplishments or relationships and provide a reason for people to come together in joyous celebration.